Hey everyone, welcome to this Power Automate series, your complete journey from beginner to advanced. This playlist includes 68 value packed videos that help you learn Power Automate from scratch to expert level, whether you are just starting out or looking to level up. You will learn to create automated, instant, and scheduled cloud flows, integrate with apps like SharePoint, Trello, Excel, and Power Apps, and you will be able to use conditions, loops, approvals, and dynamic content, all through real life use cases. What makes this series different is it is beginner friendly, packed with real world scenarios, and walks you through each step with clear explanations, tips, and best practices. So if you are ready to automate like a pro, start with video 1 and hit that subscribe button. Let's build together one flow at a time. Thank you for watching.